Yeah, this is perfect. Okay. I think Tit-Tot was a Mario 64. Yeah, it's Mario 64. Where was the yellow? Tit-Tot. The same yellow. I don't remember Mario Kart events. It has nothing to do with this. But this time, it has fun. And say, I don't remember Mario Kart events. Or the Game Boy events. Oh man! Oh man! What am I doing? Okay. Whoa! I jumped over the toy? I was kind of going for the toy. Yeah. I was very intentional. Oh, are those blue pins? Wow. No! Are you serious? No, don't run off, Wario. These wheels are so small. Let me just pause it for a second. Okay, we are back. Okay. That's actually okay. Since we did a lot of tones. See, we're already back to 10 tones. This is amazing. I'm being safe. I'm throwing back the ball. And there we go. Yeah, there we go. And just for... Oh no! Let's race. Hey, battle! Oh, God. Yeah, Super Mario Bros. On the water on the lawn. Mario Kart DS. I think I want to play on my channel for the first time. Since most of these things I have played all of them. Oh, come on! Daisy hit me. Aww. Do. Come on. 10. Help. Ooh. Ooh. Hello? Oh man. Yeah. Oh man. What? Oh no. Don't be so on that hits. Maybe. Okay. Oh, nice soda. No. Oh, oh thank goodness. It didn't hit me. I'm listening to that. So. Oh, 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 man. And everyone? Can I? Oh, what if you did hit your main cell while you're finishing? That's waste. Yesterday. My Mario voice. Yesterday. I went. I want name to play Mario Kart Wii, but what I've been most wanting to play. I was like 5 days ago when I wanted this thing. It was Mario Kart World. That's just weird. Not what is. There's a demo event, maybe. No, 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 no. What if you did shoot it into the pipe? Oh, oh no. Yes. Uh-oh. Mario's catching up. Yes. If he avoids all that, then I will. This. What? Give me a bit. No! No. No, I'm false. Don't. No! If this happens again, I didn't win. And I lost. And that was. Oh! There's still another, yeah. Another? Oh! Why? My fault. And and here's my Wario voice. Wario, yeah! And here's my Mario voice. It's a dough! It's me, Mario! And here's my toad voice. Yeah! My Luigi one. Yeah, shut off. Next ways? Okay. My hands are so ready, but yet slow. Oh, those are flying things. Okay. My wheels are so small and my car is so big. It's so fun. Ah, fun fact. I've never been on a train in my life. I thought he had to pick me up. No, Mario. No, Mario. Is Daisy playing today? Daisy and Mario are your best friends. And Wario, I'm in pain. Is Wario? I've been playing some Dr. Mario 64, and it has been doing pretty good. I have, I'm not the master at Dr. Mario 64. I think the XP of Mario the Super was. Mario the Super. Can I make it into the door too? Yes, I can. Yes, door. Yeah. Oh man. Yes. Yes. I will. Yes. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe and have a wonderful day.